Hello everyone, welcome back to my shop. Here's a quick little video on Fastcap's third hand. I can't praise these enough. And they're not sponsoring this video. I don't need them to sponsor the video to talk positive about these third hands, because honestly, all Fastcap products are wonderful. But these hands especially are, if you're a solo builder like I am, these help out. Check it out. These ones are the middle length, so they're adjustable down here. Push in those two silver tabs and it pulls out. What a wonderful tool.